So I upgraded my headlights in my truck to LED, and these are some things that might help you out if you're thinking of doing an LED upgrade. First of all, will it fit? So this is the original headlight, just an incandescent headlight, and then you can see the LED light has to have this big fan-driven heat sink on it to keep it cool. So behind where it installs, you've got to have some extra room. Like if your headlight is right up against a firewall or there's something else in the way, then one of these isn't going to work for you. So you should measure and make sure that there's space in there before you do it. And when we look at this particular one, it's about 1.25 inches longer than standard that it sticks out. So you either have to cut a hole in your car or just don't do it unless there's room. On my truck, I was able to get the regular beams in, but the high beams were right up against the metal wall of the truck, and I would have had to cut a hole in it to get them to fit. So before you buy an LED bulb, you want to make sure that you got room for it under your hood. Like this hood is stuffed tight like a hefty cinch sack. There's not a lot of space in here. So if you look where the headlight plugs in right here, it's going to bang into this power steering reservoir if you were to put a big one with a fan on it that stuck out an extra inch. So it's off limits on this particular car. So before you invest in one, take a look and see if you have space for it. These lights work great. We've been out in the wilderness with them. I've been up on the Pismo Dunes solo with them, and they light up the night really well. A lot better than an incandescent. It kind of throws more light around, whereas the incandescent light focuses it mostly in one place. So just having more light all over the place is really the main benefit that I see from this, other than just being hella super bright. So here's the LED lights on the regular beam, and then when I flip over to the incandescent high beam, you can see it's more focused in one place. So you get light all over the place better with the LED than with the incandescent. And here we are in a dark alley learning the same thing. So the LED just gives you more light in more places.